Okay, so we have 5 3/5 plus 2/5. So we are looking. Oh, that would have been right. That doesn't matter. So we're starting here at 5 2/3, 5 3/5, and we're going to be moving. Why is it still a pencil? Oh, there we go. Sorry. And then we're going to be moving 2/5. So if we start at 5 3/5 and we move 2/5, we're going to land at 6. So, why did my whole thing disappear? Okay. So 5 3/5 plus 2/5 equals 6. A lot of you put 5 and 5/5. 5/5 is one whole. So while I'm not going to require simplifying, no one would ever write 5 and 5/5. It's just not a thing. So you do have to add that whole there. So we do get, while yes, you are correct that 5 and 3/5 plus 2/5 is 5 and 5/5. A mathematician would just write 6 there. Okay, so we're going to look at now this time 5 and 2/8 minus 2 and 6/8. So we're going to start with 5 and 2/8. If I can just do, why does that go away? I don't like that it goes away. So we're going to start at 5 and 2/8. And we're going to go back. We're going to take away 2 wholes and then 6/8. So let's see what that looks like here. There's 1 whole. So that'll get us to 4 and 2/8. Can I keep adding these things? I can. How exciting! This is the first time I've used this, so I get a little excited here. Here's another 1 whole. So we're starting at 5 and 2/8. We take 1 away. We get to 4 and 2/8. We take another 1 away. We go to 3 and 2/8, and now we have to take 6/8 away. And there we go. There's 6/8. Where is that going to land us? On 2 and 4/8. We can say 2 and 4/8. If you wanted to change it to 2.5, you can do that too. You don't have to. You don't have to simplify. It's not mathematically necessary. But there we go. All right, so now we're going to look at 3 and 5/6 plus 5 and 4/6. Why don't we just do this? I'm just going to start with 5 and 4/6 and then add 3 and 5/6 because that would be easier. And it's the same thing. So we have that's right. So 5 and 4/6. That's where we're going to start. And then we're going to add 3 wholes and 5/6. So let's add 3 wholes. There's 1. So we go from 5 and 4/6 to 6 and 4/6. Then we're going to add another 1 whole. And that's going to get us to 7 and 4/6. We're going to be adding another 1 whole, so we're going to have to move. And that's going to get us to 8 and 4/6. And if we go back to our problem, we need to go another 5/6. Hey, which is what that one was. And that's going to get us to 9 and 3/6. Some of us were writing 8 and 9 sixths, which is what 9 and 3/6 is. That is kind of the same thing. But again, as a mathematician, we would not write 8 and 9/6. We can write 9/6. We can write improper fractions, but you would not write this because I don't. You would need to know that one more whole is here. So adding that to the 8, so that you would get 9 3/6 or 9 1/2.